Hello YouTube and welcome to another tutorial. So today I'm going to talk about a very interesting command that you can find in every Linux system. This command is called top. So are you ready? Let's get started. So first I'm gonna bring my console here. As you can see, I'm using Ubuntu Linux. So if I want to see, for example, the average load of my computer here, all I have to do is to type this command, top. As you can see, it shows me a very interesting information about my system. For example, here at the top you can see the load average, which are very interesting because it shows you, for example, the first number shows you the average load for the last minute, and the second one for the last 5 minutes, and finally the third one for the last 15 minutes. So you must always take a look at this information in order to see if your system is very busy or have a lot of load on it. Okay. Also, one very interesting information that you can get from the top command is the percentage of CPU that is used. As you can see here. Here it shows me the average percentage of CPU that I have in my system. So here, for example, you can show the user percentage of CPU and system percentage of CPU. As I told you, it shows you the average load of all your CPUs. So for example, if you have a dual core processor that has 2 cores, and if you want to see the average percentage of every core or every CPU, all you have to do is to press the number 1 in your keyboard. So I will press number 1 in my keyboard. As you can see now, it shows me the percentage of CPU that is used in each CPU or core in my system. And if I press 1 again, it will show the average of all my CPU. So you can use it in order to see how much processor is used for every core in your system. Also, you can see the total of memory that is used in this line here. It's always good to take a look at this number from time to time. And finally, here at the bottom or at the middle of my console, you can see all the processors that are running with the percentage of CPU that is used, and also the percentage of memory that is used. And by default it's sorted by the greater CPU that is used. As you can see here, the simple screen record, which is the program that I'm using for recording my screen, is taking a lot of CPU, as you can see here. So as I told you, it's sorted by default by the great amount of CPU that is used. But if I want, for example, to sort by the percentage of memory, all I have to do is to press the greater sign in my keyboard. So if I press the greater sign here, as you can see now, it's not sorted by the percentage of CPU, but rather by the percentage of memory, as you can see here. So here Firefox is using a lot of memory. And if I want to return back to the percentage of CPU sort order, all I have to do is to press the minus keyboard or key in my keyboard. Okay, so now it's still showing me that the simple screen recorder is using our CPU. And if you want to quit your program, all I have to do is to press the Q keyboard key as I do here, and it's finished. So that was all for today. I hope it has been informative for you, and I want to thank you for viewing. Bye bye.